Hi everyone, this is Indra. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to discuss about construction of a perpendicular to the line segment from a point outside the line segment. Please watch this video till the end so that you will be very clear about how to construct a perpendicular line from a point outside the given line segment. And if you don't subscribe my channel yet, please make sure to subscribe it and press the bell icon for instant notification of all the uploaded videos from this channel. Without wasting any further time, let's go ahead. Yeah, this is the topic of today's discussion. Let me take one example to illustrate this topic: construction of the perpendicular to the line segment from a point outside it. So first of all, let me make a line segment. Let me take the ruler here and let's make a line segment of some length. Okay, first of all, let me take the line segment. Let's say this is the 8 centimeter length. Okay, here I have taken one line segment of 8 centimeter length, and let me name this line segment. Let's say this is the line segment AB, which is here just it is just the 8 in centimeter unit. Okay, here, and let me make the let me mark the end points of the line segment. Okay, this is the point A and this is the point B, and we have to take one point outside this line segment. Let's take one point anywhere outside this line segment. Let me take, this is the point. Let me name this point which is located outside this given line segment AB. Let's name this is the point P. Okay, this is the point P, and we have to draw the perpendicular on this line segment AB from this point P. And this is the first step, just making the line segment, and the second step is just taking, let's take the compass. Let's take the compass, and this from this point P is the center. Okay, let me extend this compass. Okay, from this point P, we have to cut this line segment, this original line segment. Okay, let me cut this. Let me mark here. Okay, from this point P, let's cut this line segment AB. We have to cut the given line segment AB. Okay, let's cut here. We can use the any radius of this compass, any arc. Okay, let's cut, just cutting this line segment from this point P. Here I have just cut from this point P by taking some arc, and we cut this original line segment AB. Let me mark the point of the intersections. Okay, this is one point of the intersection, and this is the next point of the intersection, and let me name this point of the intersections is the XY. Let's name this is point X and this is point Y. Here we have just make these points X and Y, the point of the intersection of the arc and the line segment. This is the second step, and the third step is by taking the radius is the XY. Let's take the radius is the XY. This is the point X. From this point X to Y, let's take the radius X to Y. Okay, and then we have to cut below the line segment. Okay, by taking the radius is the XY and center is the X and Y, we have to cut below the given line segment. Okay, let's make the next point here. Okay, let's cut below the given line segment. Okay, this point, and we have to cut this point from this point Y also. By taking XY is the radius. Let's cut. Let's intersect this R. Okay, and this point of the intersection, we have to connect this point of the intersections to the point P, which was located outside that point. We have to finally connect these points P, this point P, and let's say this point Here the below the line segment, let's say this is the point Q, and finally we have to just connect the point P and Q. Okay, let me use the scale to connect them. The line should be very straight, and that will be finally the perpendicular. Okay, let's connect. Just connecting these 2 points. Okay, just connecting these 2 points very straightly. The lines should be very straight. Okay, just connecting these 2 points. Let me connect these 2 points. Here we have just connected these 2 points very straightly. The points P and the Q are connected by a line, and that line, this PQ line, should be perpendicular on this line segment AB. Okay, let's check it is perpendicular or not. Let me use the protractor to check its angle is 90 degree or not. It is perpendicular or not. Let me use this protractor. Okay, we have to put this center of the protractor at this point. It is here exactly 90 degree. Here we have checked this line segment PQ is exactly perpendicular on this line segment AB. This is exactly perpendicular. This is the way of drawing the perpendicular to the line segment from a point outside the given line segment. This is the way of drawing the perpendicular line segment. In our next video, we will discuss more about the source type of the construction. Please keep watching, keep loving this channel. This much for today. Thank you.